Attapoll survey is currently my #1 highest paying survey app, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your account so that you can start earning from Attapoll. It doesn't matter which country you're watching from, whether you are in Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, Kenya, Uganda, or any country where we don't usually get survey websites. Just follow the steps carefully so that you don't end up making mistakes. If you make mistakes in this process, you can easily lose your account or you end up not able to cash out your earnings. I have received a lot of complaints from my students who lost their earnings or can't withdraw because they don't have access to virtual phone numbers to verify their account. Don't worry, I will show you exactly how my students are doing it the right way. I can also help you set up your Attapoll account and give it to you. We will talk about this later in the video. Now, here are the things you need before you can start doing surveys. I currently have over 15 survey websites and apps that I am doing to earn money. I make approximately $200 to $400 monthly from these survey websites and apps. I withdraw my earnings through PayPal and gift cards, so I understand this business fully. And if you are really serious about starting this survey business, you must have these things: virtual phone number or US or UK SIM card. I am not talking about free virtual numbers, and the SIM card is even better because you are not paying monthly. Then the second thing is a residential proxy. You need to buy your own residential proxy. I have stopped using VPNs because they usually get your account banned. You also need your own survey demography. Demography is the details that will help you answer survey constantly and qualify for a lot of surveys. Getting these things are not beginner friendly, so I made a full solution for you. I created a package for all beginners. When you buy this package, you will get the full setup. I'm talking about virtual phone numbers or SIM cards, quality proxy, and complete survey demography. You can buy the full package on my store, but if you already have them, let's proceed. With Attapoll, you can be making $20 to $70 per week. This is a decent amount of money, especially for us living in third world countries. And I am not making this up. Most of my students report earning this amount. Let me even show you my own recent withdrawals on Attapoll. As you can see, I make withdrawals almost every 2 to 3 days on Attapoll because the surveys are plenty and the earnings for each survey is also great. I started doing Attapoll just 2 months ago, and you can see how great it is currently going for me. Now, without wasting time, if this sounds like something you like to do, let's begin. But first, welcome to JJ Earns. On this channel, I basically teach people how I make money from survey websites and apps. I also teach useful tips and tricks that will help make your life easier and more productive. And I'll also share online business opportunities. So if you want to see more videos from me, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And also join my WhatsApp and Telegram groups where I share exclusive updates. Okay, so the first thing you need is a cloud phone. A cloud phone is like a totally different phone that you own. Think of it like this. Now, your personal phone has your personal things inside it. And in most cases, you need a separate phone that you will be using for your surveys. The best option is to buy a new phone for your surveys, but you don't have to, because cloud phone allows you to own a completely different phone that you can use for your online surveys. But instead of having it physically, this time around it's based on the internet. It will behave just like a normal phone, but you can only access it online. Anything you do with that phone will be totally different from your own physical phone, which means you can even install apps, play games, browse the internet, and so on. That is why it is very good for surveys, and it is easy to get a cloud phone. Now, there are many platforms where you can get a cloud phone, but in this video we'll be using a website called Duo Plus. With this website, you can create your cloud phone for free. Although I will advise that immediately after you make your first profit from survey, you should use a paid cloud phone, because sometimes they log you out in the middle of a survey. So remember, immediately after you withdraw your first survey profit, pay for a cloud phone. It will be more convenient. So just open your browser. You can use any browser of your choice. As for me, I'm using Chrome. Then type Duo Plus and click enter. This is the website right here. Just tap on it. Once the website opens up, you will need to create your account. Just click get started. Here you can either sign up with your email and password, or you can just sign up with your Google account. If your email is already logged in your Chrome, then there is no need to sign up manually. Just click this Google option and your account will be created instantly. After your account is created, click get started, then this page will open. Here you can select any kind of Android version you want to use. They have Android 15, Android 12 and Android 11. You can use anyone. Then scroll down. Here you can see they say you can create one cloud phone for free. And when you create it, you can use it for 30 days before it will expire. Now your plan is this. Make sure you do surveys and earn enough money before your cloud phone expires. And with Attapoll, you can dedicate 3 to 5 hours a day doing surveys, then you will surely earn and make your first 2 to 3 withdrawals. So just click get started again. And by the way, I also offer account creation and full setup for my students. That is, if you want, we can help you set up your full Attapoll account and configuration with a cloud phone and give it to you. But you can still do it yourself. Just make sure you avoid making mistakes that may affect you later on. After you click get started, you will see this pop up. Here is where you need to enter your PROXY credentials. Remember in the beginning of the video I talked about getting your own PROXY, and when I talk about PROXY, I mean residential PROXY, not all those free ones. Free PROXYs will only waste your time. You will be able to use them and set up your account and maybe even do some surveys, but when it is finally time to withdraw, it may stop working and you will lose all your earnings. So make sure you use a paid PROXY. First, enter a name for your cloud phone. As for me, I want to call this one survey phone because I will also be using this phone for other surveys as well, not only Attapoll. So when you buy your PROXY, you will receive your IP, port, username and PROXY password. Just copy them one by one and paste them here. I stored my own inside a notepad, so let me just copy them and paste them here. Sorry, I have to hide the credentials because if I show it here, some viewers may use it, which will end up affecting me. After that, click check to see if the PROXY is fully working. If you see any error, then you should make sure you are entering the credentials correctly. If you entered everything correctly, you will see this finish button. Just click it to finish the full setup. Now here is your cloud phone and you can use it for your surveys. You can do all kinds of surveys with this cloud phone and you are not paying anything for it for the next 30 days. Just make sure you put in the work and earn enough before the 30 days expires. For you to start using it, just click power on and here you will see the process. Just wait patiently for the setup to finish and the cloud phone will be ready for you to use. So the cloud phone is now ready. Can you see it? It works just like your regular phone. You can do anything with it. Instead of buying a second phone, this cloud phone is the best alternative because it is free for 30 days and when you decide to pay, it is very cheap. Now let's start setting up your Attapoll account. The first thing you need to do now is to install some apps that you need. So click here, then click app, switch to official app. Then here you can install the apps you need. If you want to install any app, you can do it here. For now, the only app you need is the Attapoll app and you can't find it here, so you can download it from Play Store. This video is getting too long, so I will just install the Attapoll app and we will continue from there. So I just downloaded the Attapoll app. After you downloaded the app, open it. Here you can start setting up your Attapoll account. Click agree to terms and conditions, then click create account. Here you should enter your email address they will send a confirmation link to your email address. Just open your email app and click on the link they sent you. After that, it will load automatically. Then it will take you to this page where you need to enter your phone number. Remember I told you about how to get your virtual phone number in the beginning of the video? Just enter your US phone number here. Remember, this phone number will also be requested when you want to make your first withdrawal. So make sure you have access to your virtual phone number all the time, because if you lose it, then you won't be able to withdraw your earnings. I will enter my phone number here. I am not using virtual phone number. I am using a US SIM card, and it is better. If you want a video on how to get your own US SIM card, just let me know in the comment section and I will make a video on how to get it. Or get my full survey business package and you will see how to get your quality virtual phone number or US and UK SIM card. After entering the phone number, click continue. They will send a code to your phone number. Just enter the code here. Now, the reason why having a US SIM card is better than virtual numbers is because with US SIM card, you are not paying any other thing after you get it. But with virtual numbers, you will be paying monthly subscription fee. And anytime you fail to pay, then you will lose access to your number. So if you are really serious about doing surveys, you should definitely consider getting a US or UK SIM card. It will help you a lot. As you can see, I just finished setting up my Attapoll account. Now I can just proceed and start taking surveys and earning free money. Just click continue. Here you will need to enter some basic information for your profile. Remember this, you need to create your own demography for your surveys. Your demography means everything about your profile. It includes your full name, your hometown, your race, your height, your family, relationship status, and so on. When it comes to survey, you can't do without a demography because you need to be answering questions the same way all the time. If not, they will ban your account or stop giving you surveys. So everything I'm doing here is based on my survey demography. If I start entering random things here, then I may lose my account afterwards. Here you will see maximize your earnings with location-based surveys. Just click detect location because remember we are using a proxy for this cloud phone and that is the location that will be used. Here you can see the location, so just click looking good to proceed. Choose the language you want and here you can enable survey notification. This is very important. If you turn it on, anytime there is a survey that matches your profile, you will receive an email, which means you will not be missing out on potential earnings. And that's it. Our Attapoll account is ready. Here you can see the surveys that I can do to earn. When you just create your account, you will see this first survey. This survey is the one that will determine whether you will be getting surveys or not. And if you do it, you will be paid $1. Remember, the minimum withdrawal is just $3. So make sure you do that first survey. Let me do it now. They will ask you some basic questions about you. Make sure you give correct answers as in your demographic. Any other survey you take should be in line with this one. Otherwise, you may stop getting surveys. All the answers to these questions are already inside the demography. So make sure you have it. And if you want to get a quality survey demography that will help you earn more and avoid getting shadow banned or restricted account, then I already have a step-by-step guide on how to set up your own survey demography. You should definitely check it out. So I will just answer all these questions. As you can see, I just finished my first survey and I received the $1 reward. Now I can just keep doing surveys and earning until I get to the minimum withdrawal, which is $3. There are many surveys here and you can just do them and start earning. But my advice is don't just start answering many surveys immediately. Just allow your profile to stay like this for 24 hours before you start taking surveys. So now here are the things you need before we round up. Make sure you buy a quality virtual phone number, but if you can afford a physical US or UK SIM card, it is better. More info on how to get your virtual phone number in the pinned comments and description of this video. Make sure you don't use any free proxy. They are a trap and they will only waste your time and effort. More info to get a quality residential proxy is also in the description and pinned comments. Make sure you have your demography because you need to be answering survey questions consistently. If not, you will get shadow banned or you will lose your account. Use a cloud phone for accessing survey websites. Lastly, and most importantly, stop using VPNs for surveys. They will only work a few times before they cause issues. Okay, we have come to the end of the video. If you got value from this, then leave a comment, like and subscribe. See you in the next video.